Next up, the next startup is to showcase our innovation is a sustainability-focused company called i2Cool. So please board the stage. All right, so you have 3 minutes. Jumpstart your dreams now.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Martin, co-founder of i2Cool Limited. As you see, we are doing the electricity-free cooling technology to solve the problem of global warming and climate change. Because of the extremely hot weather, we suffer from the high temperature, bad thermal comfort, and high energy consuming for the air conditioning system. That's why we need a solution to break these bad conditions to improve the conditions of our living. And our research team based in City University of Hong Kong investigate the Sahara silver ant since 2015. We want to figure out why this animal can survive in the hot desert. And we found out that it can dissipate its body heat to the cold universe through 8 to 13 micron wavelength that can pass through the atmosphere. And then the heat can be absorbed by the universe. That's why we can generate the cooling power without any energy input. And then we adopt this cooling principle into our product. For example, the paint, eye paint for the building's roof and envelope, also the film product for the glass windows. And we can also adopt to the vehicles paint and also the textile fabric ceramic for rider application. And our technology for cooling ceramic was just got published on Science last week because our innovative optical model that can optimize the material structure to facilitate the cooling. And in the real application, you can see that we can significantly reduce the surface temperature and indoor temperature of the buildings and reduce 40% of the air conditioning system energy consumption. And currently we have been applied to more than 100 projects in Hong Kong, Southeast Asia, and Middle East, saving more than 600,000 kilograms of the carbon emission globally. And actually, over the past 1.5 years, we have raised more than 38 million Hong Kong dollars. And notably, Professor Li Zhexiang, founder of the DJI, joined our board members team. And we also apply to other applications, not only the buildings, but also the new energy equipment, storage conditions, to improve the storage conditions of the containers in different industry. And we also do it in a B2C roadmap product like this kind of cooling textile for umbrella and also the clothing material for better personal thermal comfort for rider application. And we actually do the direct sales distribution channel, and also we can do the co-R&D with some other big manufacturers to have a better product roadmap. And we hope we can have a sustainable business model in the coming 1 to 2 years with continuous R&D. And now currently we have done many projects such as some big golden case in the Dubai Mall to showcase our cooling performance in not only just Hong Kong, but also the Southeast Asia, Middle East, and the Greater China. And in the future, we are doing some new product, for example, the materials for ceramic for the ground, for the paved material, for the road, and many different applications for the whole community for a green application to promote the carbon neutrality globally. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Judges, please.
Hi, this is Binny from UBS. So I have to make a disclaimer because you have presented in our UBS Disruptive Technology CEO Summit earlier, and it was very, very well received. So congratulations.
Thank you.
And then I know recently it's just not with Hong Kong GBA, but you also have, sales, like customers from Middle East, right?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Congratulations, big congrats. And I mean, as a Hong Konger, very proud to have seen your technology. So I guess my question here is, how are you thinking about, the affordability, right? Because I think the prices is actually quite high. I guess, I think it's down the road, like how you could thinking to lower down the cost and then making it more affordable, and I guess for property developer from a cost efficiency perspective.
Yeah, thank you for your question. Because currently we do lot in a very large scale. We have you can say a semi-scale factory in Guangzhou. So our core technology actually are some nanoparticles that are added into the normal polymer we bought from the market. So if we can have a larger scale, in terms of productivity, we can keep the cost maybe 50% lower than currently, so that we can reduce the price. So currently we do the market strategy energy by providing our solution as a technology to reduce the energy costs of the building owners or the equipment owners. And then we can calculate the payback period to them. So we are not just the normal paint. We can keep the normal functions of the paint or other construction materials, but we also provide the energy saving portfolio for the users to calculate the payback period, which other product cannot.
A quick question here, sorry, just a follow-up. So when you're looking into different geographies, right? Because I'm sure if you're going into Middle East or Europe, you probably find, is it because they also have an ESG mandate, right? I guess to step up what they do. What are you finding in terms of across the regions when you're trying to pitching your product? Because there's regulatory requirement, yeah?
And they also very focus very much on the ESG, because for our product, we not just reduce the cost of operation, but we also improve the thermal comfort of the users. For example, in the Middle East, some workers are they suffer a lot from the bad thermal comfort, especially for those outdoor workers. They need to work at the daytime, in the noon, and they suffer a lot from that. And we combine our technology with some more different products, not just the construction materials, but also the B2C, like the textile. Then they can use it as their protective coat to prevent from the heat stroke for their workers. So this is another value we can add to our customers, that we are not just reduce your cost, but we also can facilitate your ESG initiative that you can put into your annual report.
How durable is your paint?
We provide 10-year warranty to our clients currently. And because our technology is just the additive we add into the water-based emulsion or some other emulsion, so the durability or the lifespan is very depends on what kind of polymers we select. We can custom make it for different requirement of different industries.
So, sorry, a follow-up question. So, for let's say for skyscrapers, right? Do you do it on existing buildings, or you need to do it on a new building? You paint it on the glass before you build the building.
Oh, and for the glass, we have the iFilm product. For the glass window, that is semi-transparent. This kind you can see that this one for the high-rise buildings. We can do both existing and new buildings, because we got the Beam Plus product. The green product that the owners can have extra credits by using our technology.
Do you have any existing client in mainland China or Hong Kong? And also, do you pass those 5 regulations already in Hong Kong?
We have. I think we have more than 60 different clients in Hong Kong, and also a few big clients in mainland China, because we need to do some POC and the real projects over the past 1 year. And our project is, our product is not just a single product, the paint, but we have more than 10 different paints to fulfill the regulations for different countries or different areas. Like, for example, in Hong Kong, the VOC emission is regulated in less than 50 grams per liter, but in mainland China, it's 100. So we have different classifications and products for different areas.
Where do you see your company in 5 years? Are you going to license out your technology, or are you going to build a big factory?
This is a good question. And for the licensing part, we will do it as a co-branding or co-R&D with the big manufacturers. For example, last month I went to Japan and met with some paint manufacturers. Then they are very interested in have a co-branding product with us. The model can be that we can sell our core materials, the nanoparticles to them.
Please wrap up in one sentence.
They combine with their emulsions for that.
Thank you very much.